Did you know you can use your eyes to persuade anyone, build trust, earn respect, and even make people attracted and obsessed with you? Here's 5 overlooked ways to use your eyes to get what you want. 1. Making eye contact is the key. Before making eye contact, you must first condition your mind and emotions to reflect on your positive qualities or state. This is because you're subconsciously communicating these traits to the other person through your eyes. Once you've conditioned yourself, you must make eye contact around 70% of the time. This conveys your sincerity and trust. Avoiding eye contact unconsciously gives the impression of dishonesty, shyness, anxiety, or humiliation. If you continuously avoid making eye contact, you might be perceived as someone who is insecure, unreliable, or even deceitful. Although that may not be the case, that's the usual perception that people have of someone who can't look at them straight in the eye. If you're too timid or afraid to make eye contact, just look at the bridge of the nose or the portion between their eyes. This gives the impression that you're looking at them. 2. Be aware of your eye body language. Your eyes will unconsciously send signals of your mood or state of mind. So be sensitive to your eye movements to send good vibes and avoid offending people. Your eyes glow if you're in a pleasant or joyous state. Conversely, they look dull when you're lonely or depressed. So if you're in a bad mood or experiencing challenges, it might be a good idea to reschedule your appointment with an important person. Don't roll your eyes, as this indicates irritation. Any traits or qualities you subcommunicate through your eyes could either develop or ruin your relationship, so use your eyes to your advantage. 3. Reveal your eyes. Avoid wearing sunglasses so you won't give the impression that you're hiding something. Since eyes are very expressive, not allowing people to see your eyes might imply that you don't want them to know how you feel or think. It might also make them feel uneasy because they don't know if you're looking at them or not. 4. Know what people's eye body language means. How do you know if people are paying attention to you? You'll know it when they establish eye contact while either nodding their heads, smiling, and leaning closer. The pupils of their eyes become bigger when they are attracted or excited in your presence. If they raise their eyebrows, they might want to say or clarify something, end the conversation, or have disagreed with something you've said. 5. Don't look if they don't like to be looked at. Be aware of people who might get offended by looking at them. Some people avoid eye contact because of extreme shyness, so don't add to their discomfort by staring at them. Some cultures may consider eye contact as a negative or disrespectful act, so be sensitive when you're communicating with people of different cultures and adjust accordingly to their beliefs. Aside from reading eye body language, check other nonverbal signals so you'll have a more accurate assessment of what they're thinking or feeling. Using your eyes to attract or impress someone can be very powerful, but texting can make them obsessed with you. Watch this video next to discover 7 text messages to make anyone fall madly in love with you.